Did you know that many Google Ads provider often confuse call extension with call only ads? However, call only ads have a completely different goal for conversion. Which type of a business provider need call only ads such as car services, electrician, plumber, etc. Required this kind of a business need call only ads. In this video, we will explore how we can create a successful campaign by diving into my screen. First, let's log in into Google Ad account, then go to the conversion action, then upon call from ad, create the goal, select this portion and continue. The name of the conversion, then select whatever you are into, and give each call how much this actually value to your business. So I am giving here a 50 rupees. Always this one only once, and the call length should be 90. When someone call you 90 seconds, then only it will show the conversion. Then create and continue. Okay, I have already used test 2, okay, and then create, continue, then done. Or call conversion action actually already created. Here you can